Coffee made how you like it with a 12-volt coffee maker. Your friend or family member has moved into their new home, and you want to visit. But you don't want to show up empty-handed. Finding the right gift to give to someone when they have relocated can be difficult, particularly if you are unfamiliar with their taste. When you leave home, whether it's running errands, on a trip, or traveling somewhere, it can be difficult to find coffee made the way you like it. While there are convenience stores, restaurants, drive-through fast food places, there is nothing that will tell you how the coffee is. The coffee might be a cheap brand with bad taste. A lot of times there is only 1 or 2 size cups available. The small cup may not hold as much coffee as you want. However, the large cup might be more than you can drink before it gets cold. With modern technology, coffee makers are now portable. To fit today's on-the-move lifestyles, when you are shopping, taking the children to an activity, or a truck driver that loves coffee, you can brew your coffee made your way while driving. Simply plug a 12-volt coffee maker in the cigarette lighter and brew a pot. Some 12-volt coffee makers come with mounting brackets for your vehicle. The first cup of your coffee made your way starts the day out right. It helps wake you up and gets you going. Go to electricpercolatorcoffeepot.com/battery-operated-coffee-makers.